Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart.
Today we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that will blow your mind.
On the left, we have the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K, and on the right we have the Prilot Dash Camera. Get ready for some serious comparison, and let's find out which one is the ultimate road warrior. Alright, let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, the video quality.
The VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K boasts a crystal clear UHD 2560*1440p resolution, capturing every detail from license plates to road signs.
It's like having a personal HD movie of your road trips. Now the Prilot dash camera takes it up a notch with its mind-blowing 4K resolution on the front camera and 1080p on the rear. Talk about seeing the road like never before. Plus, it even has an interior camera to keep an eye on those backseat shenanigans.
Picture this, you're driving on a dark, spooky road at night. Which dash cam will save the day with its night vision capabilities? Well, the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K is equipped with an ultra-large f1.6 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring super night vision and clear footage, even in extreme dark scenarios.
But wait, the Prilot dash camera has something up its sleeve.
It combines super night vision with infrared cabin lights and 4 infrared lights, giving you exceptional clarity and color accuracy day or night.
It's like having your own Batmobile vision. Now let's talk about connectivity and control. The VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K offers smooth 2.4G Wi-Fi app control.
You can easily view and manage your recordings on your smartphone, making it a breeze to share those crazy road moments with your friends and family.
On the other hand, the Prilot dash camera comes with a complete package, including a free U332GB micro SD memory card.
It also has a parking mode that automatically switches on when your car turns off.
Talk about being a smart little spy.
Let's face it, folks, dash cams need to withstand extreme temperatures and hold up against the elements. The VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K is built with high-quality ABS plus PC materials designed to withstand temperatures from -40 to 185.
It's like a tough little soldier guarding your precious footage. Meanwhile, the Prilot dash camera is no slouch either.
It's equipped with a heat-resistant chipset and adhesive pad, ensuring it stays securely attached to your windshield, no matter how hot or cold it gets. It's like a loyal companion, always by your side. The Prilot dash camera takes the crown with its superior video quality, night vision, and triple camera setup. And there you have it, folks.
The ultimate face-off between the VEEMENT Dash Cam Front 2.5K and the Prilot dash camera.
While both cameras have their strengths, the Prilot dash camera takes the crown with its superior video quality, night vision, and triple camera setup. Remember, smart shoppers always do your research and choose the dash cam that suits your needs. Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product comparisons that will help you make the smartest purchases. Until next time, happy shopping!